back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another non-phone work-from-home job lead for you. Of course, as always, the links to the company's Glassdoor page, as well as the actual page, if you want to put those applications in, are always linked in the YouTube description box below this video. But today's job lead is from the company FormStack. They have a 3.9 out of 5-star rating on Glassdoor. They are hiring a billing customer support specialist. Now, this is remote for my United States folks only, and customer support does not have to mean being on the phones. This one is going to be through email mainly, and then through some support tickets that are put in online. But they are looking for someone to be the primary point person for incoming billing support requests via email and support. Now, if you check out their main website, they have a login dashboard where their users can log in, and there they should be able to put in those support tickets. So you'll get those support tickets and those emails. So completely non-phone. You'll perform daily billing tasks, including preparing refunds or credits, issuing invoices, processing customer account changes, responding to their billing inquiries, and assisting them in updating their billing information. You'll have to be able to communicate in a clear, concise way that's easy for people to understand. Now, it says that this is a fast-paced environment, and they do have quotas for inbound tickets that you have to meet. You'll also be assisting in monitoring past due customer accounts. You'll also help maintain written as well as video process documentation. So if you ever go on websites and they have that little FAQ section where they have articles written so you can kind of help yourself, that is what that is. But just know there may be times that they ask you to make a video explanations rather than just written. Now, they are not requiring any kind of college degree for this position. Of course, somebody who can be fluent in written and spoken English. They would like somebody who has 1 to 3 years of customer service. And if you have customer service specifically focused on some kind of billing or collections, someone who knows billing concepts, of course, you have to have great written and verbal communication skills, be well organized, and be able to multitask. Now, salary for this position is anywhere from $45,000 a year all the way up to $55,000 a year. Final pay offered is always going to be dependent on your experience and location. It says you can get a bonus of up to 5% of your base salary. And of course, they offer a standard benefit package that includes health, dental, vision, 401k, and paid time off. Now, it does also state that they're going to give you the most up-to-date technology, including a company-issued Mac computer to make sure you can do your job. So they are going to give you all the computer equipment you need. All you need to have is high-speed internet. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Always feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.